You can see it's all Boers apart from that. We don't market these as Boer Goats. They just, they go into Dodge and stuff. So.
Oh, okay.
That one's very friendly there.
This one? Oh, that one. Huh? Yeah. Hello. So is this a male? This is a female?
They're all males.
They're all males, but that has got a...
I don't know why it's... that one's just... Sorry. That one's just minus its horns.
Oh, don't bite me.
They can't hurt if they bite because they've only got bottom teeth.
Ah, okay.
It's just a plate on the top. You can see they're well looked after.
Yeah.
And they're not frightened of us. No.
This is kind of thing that's they are growing in a very happy environment, and that meat makes it more special.
Yeah.
This is what.
They like that, just there. They like it. Yeah. It's just on top of the head. You like it. What about you? See, these haven't been in long. Usually they don't do wet at all. They don't like wet ground.
Oh, okay.
So they're out most of the summer. And if it gets wet at all, like it is now, it's sopping out there.
Yeah, yeah.
We get them in. But all the mums, all the nannies, they'll be off out over the farm somewhere. They got their own pen down the lane.
Okay.
They come and go as they please. Don't they?
But how you're managing it? It's a lot of hard work for this one. I couldn't even imagine. Like
these are more work than the cattle. We're cattle farmers, really.
Yeah.
That's what we do.
Yeah.
These are just something extra. It's grown, really.
Soon you'll have lots and lots of customers like this business will grow from.
Problem is I like the cattle.
Yeah, it's a special one.